Hello everyone, today topic passport size pictures in your PC easily. Making your PC to home now and make a passport size pictures. Any other pages, any other pic, you can edit, you can crop, you can filter now and select this one. Any other photos, crop down. I have select this one. So lot of varieties of edit as you can see. Right ones. First of all, I have been cropped my photo to get a easily passport size pics. I have been selected size now. I have selected colors now. I have selected size and get it a crop now. First of all, I have been cropped now to get easily a passport size pictures. How to get a photo passport size crop now? I have say about more videos, more recent videos. As you can see my channel, YouTube channel. I have been crop my photo as selected now. This one I have been selected a size, right and left and more. Image size, paper size, width, height, more options. As you can see, I have been selected a paper size. This one, and I have been select a photo, select a page size. At the bottom, get easily make a passport size, more quantity of photos. Edit your page. As you can see, I have been added a page to make a perfect passport size. I have been select photo and copy this photo and paste a page. Right corner one to get a more quantity of passport size pictures. I have been selected now. As you can see, multiple types of options. I have been copying more copies in these pages, so I have been copy and paste this photo in this page. Select duplicate, press this button. I have been typing on interface, you can see. Press alt and select all and scroll down and down and down. Get a perfect a page has been ready to passport size pics. One kind of information, your photo has a bottom has to central of this page to get a easily print passport size pics. Type Ctrl E for 3 times to select this one in this page. As you can see, yes, you can see, and 3 times more. Yes, my page has been ready to print a 43 photos Control P for print. As you can see, setting, going to the and select page, select colors, select white, and 43 passport size pics has been selected. Your photos has been selected. As you can see, our range of passport size page. As you can see, that this printer has been printed on my passport size page. Keep waiting for printing. You can see my passport size pictures have been printed now. Thanks for watching these videos. I hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel, and what you want are new videos, so comments my channels. I hope you like this. Thank you very much.